a second one here. And we both stop. Wait to see what the raven's up to. I don't know where this guy's friend went. There was two, I swear. Oh. There he is on the other side. Oh, where's it? What have I done? Yeah. Trust me, there's one there. Hi, bud. And there's his friend. Two. I can't remember what they're called, but they're fucking cool. Oh. And up top we have my raven friend. This guy sounds young. Oh shit, is there three of them? There's three of them. There's one down further here. But I don't want to disturb them. I mean, I already have, but you know what I mean.